Is digging deeper tonight. She joins us live from Tigard with what health officials have to say.
Well, social gatherings are one of the biggest ways that this virus is being spread among a lot of people. And also today, I learned some new information that affects 20-somethings, concerns about their health, especially when they think getting the virus is no big deal.
Transmission is increasing significantly, and the trends are very concerning.
Fear that Oregonians are in big trouble as a potentially fatal disease with no antidote is spreading faster than expected, even with restrictions in place. A big concern is having enough hospital capacity, especially critical care. We took a look at hospitalizations so far and found that out of more than 1,180 Oregonians hospitalized with COVID, 333, or more than a quarter of them, were in the ICU. Now look closer at this chart, showing COVID cases by age group. The orange means not hospitalized, but the fastest growing age group with COVID is ages 20 to 29. Even though most end up with mild symptoms, there's a new worry for younger people who get the virus.
This disease can have serious implications across the body, and that as people recover, people are reporting ongoing symptoms and ongoing complications from this disease. So while children and young adults are less likely to die from this disease, we do know that they could be suffering from complications from this disease into the future.
So far, 232 Oregonians have died from the virus. Oregon health experts say coronavirus is far more deadly than the flu. No vaccine to prevent it, no medicine to cure it. But getting the message across to wear a mask and socially distance in a state with one of the lowest COVID death rates is challenging.
And while we don't want everyone to have a friend or a family member get sick or get hospitalized or tragically die from this disease before they take action, we know that that's often, that personal experience is what causes people to take action.
Now, I just checked, and Oregon is actually 12th lowest among all the states in terms of deaths. But the concern is, again, people are out and about, not wearing masks, not socially distancing, especially this weekend with the great weather. Just put on a mask if you're around friends. It's that easy. Live in Tigard, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.